Welcome to see how easily you can register an account and start trading with JustMarkets. First of all, open JustMarkets website and click the Register button. Here you select your country of residence and enter the email address to register your personal area. Create a password. It must contain from 8 to 15 characters, at least one number from 0 to 9, and one or more special characters. Use both lowercase and uppercase Latin letters and more than 3 unique characters. It is important to remember all these details. You will use them when entering the personal area. Do you have a partner code with which to register? Click on this field and enter it. If not, just skip the step. Next, tick the box and confirm, declaring that you are not a citizen or resident of the US. Click Continue to enter your personal area. Excellent! Your personal area has been created. Here you will see your trading account details. Note that your first trading account is created automatically. Your login and the correct server are displayed on the page, and the password is the same as the one you entered on the registration page. And now let's check on how to make your first deposit to start your trading journey. Click on Funding on the left menu. You will see the deposit option immediately. Select the trading account number you want to deposit to. Select the desired deposit method from the list of all available options. If you see any extra fields, such as bank account number, fill them in. Enter the deposit amount in the Amount field. In the field to be deposited, you'll see the amount that will be credited to your account. The amount is always displayed in the trading account currency. To confirm the deposit request, you need to click the Deposit button. You will be transferred to the payment system page. Follow the instructions on your screen and complete the payment. Let's open your first trade. All your opened accounts are saved in My Accounts tab. You can open as many trading accounts as you want without any limits. To log into the trading account, you need to click the Trade button. At the top, you can see the details of your current trading account, such as account number, server, and password. The buttons on the bottom will allow you to download MT for all available devices. Alternatively, you can click Log in to WebTrader and access the MT terminal from the website. To continue, you must read the disclaimer and click the Accept button to confirm that you agree with the MetaTrader terms. On the login page, you will see the login field with the current trading account number already filled in. Enter your password in the password field. Click Save Password to preserve the password for the next sessions if it's needed. The server is selected automatically. Just click Connect to Account. This is the MetaTrader trading platform. On the right side, you can see Market Watch with a list of the trading instruments. On the top of the Market Watch, you can search for the currency pair that you can trade. We have the gold chart open right now. Let's examine this example and see how to open the order for this instrument. There are various MT5 options that allow us to analyze the market more easily and add more tools for analysis on top of the chart. Click on the New Order button to open your first trade. The small window to the left will open with the new order details. Indicate the volume of the order. There are 2 fields, Take Profit and Stop Loss, which allow you to constrain the close price of the order and close it automatically when indicated. Once everything is set up, click the Sell or Buy by Market button to open your first trade. Here we are, you have made your first trade. You will see the confirmation for your order being opened. It's just your first step on the journey to becoming a successful trader. Go ahead and practice to achieve better results.